Whether you accidentally deleted your Instagram reel or just want to get back some of your memories in both cases, you are on the right video. Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial video. So let's start. First, open your Instagram app. Next, click your profile, and for the video, I'm going to delete this reel. Then click the three lines on top right corner, select your activity, and scroll down. You can see here there's recently deleted option. Click on it and click the three dots, then restore. And that's it. You can see it again into your profile. Hope this helps and see you in the next one.